how to set a time period to auto-delete YouTube history activity tracking on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. After that, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Then scroll down and tap on more privacy settings. In here, scroll down, then tap on activity controls. And then scroll down to the YouTube history section. In here, tap on auto delete. And then you can choose auto delete activity order then and tap on the drop down. From here, you can choose a time period of 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. So if I select 18 months, then YouTube will auto delete activity older than 18 months. After that, tap on the next button. And so here, once activity is older than 18 months, it will be deleted automatically. Google may delete some types of activity sooner. Then tap on confirm. And then tap on got it to go back to your Google account. Then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.